Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Alright guys, well guys, you know, today is the slabbing of Mother Teresa, you know, because as we take some days off to put in some work run by Mother Teresa, run Shara run, yeah, to put in some work by Mother Teresa, you know, so we're doing the slabbing today, you know, the thing that guys, so put the thumbs up whenever you're watching, and we're thanking you so much for supporting King Life in Jamaica. So you know what the thing goes already, we're there up on the ground. You know, doing the groundwork, which cheese, you have tall pea on the ground, mixing concrete, you know, no mortar, gravel, cement, sand and water, you see me?
No mortar.
Yes, it's concrete.
Mortar, cold one we are drinking, you know.
Yes.
Concrete, you know.
Yes.
Any mortar, a cold mortar.
Cold mortar.
Yeah, man, because the sun will kill you.
So now concrete we are walk on.
So alright, you just attack now.
So now walking on the concrete. Concrete.
Alright. Here.
Tapi, the man is gonna come today, you know.
Come today?
Yeah, to come to the fixture for you, test it, warm it, to get the height and everything.
Alright.
Alright. So.
I hope by the time we done this we can follow, huh?
Yes. Yeah, get into the side of it.
Yeah, get to the side of it, you know.
So once we're on the side of it, so we'll get to the end of it.
Manners again, you know. I like a chat. Now I say once again, and thanks to that special somebody there, you know.
Vicky.
Yeah, man. Put your big smile on your face, same way, you know. Same way, you know. Yeah, man. Put them up now.
Yeah, hello? Lord.
Give the one there. Put the one there. Maybe surf time.
What is it? Dennis boy, the point.
Yeah,
Teresa. Yes! What is it?
You can't see me.
You hear the voice.
Yeah. You hear the smoke?
Oh. I hear the juice.
You come out to that white coat.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, the fire man. You can't come, man.
That's soldier.
Yes, sir. Let me move over.
Eh?
Alright, yeah, do you do now?
Yes, sir. It's cold already. See,
Yeah. Well, Dennis boy up on it. Same strong.
Oh, the young boy?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I walk. I would just Ronaldo. Ronaldinho. Gee. Hero.
Here. Ready again.
Yeah, oh yes sir.
oh, yeah, bucket.
Here the cigarette there, yeah.
Here the cigarette that killing you.
Come here,
No, they all time. That's how weed make me buy more weed.
Yeah, you get money.
Yeah, because
That is good.
See there?
I have to work, you know.
I kill get money.
I
No.
Boy, the nigga scratch me.
Yeah, jump up.
Collect. Okay.
See
okay.
that? Ready, man.
Then his boy, Ronaldinho. So guys, so the decking, so the slabbing is going on for Mother Teresa roofing, as you can see.
See that?
The slabbing is going on and on and on and on. Here.
See that? Float, what? See that? In. Float, what? See that? See that?
Steam train.
Ready? Come cross. Go.
Come on, that's
Now even go up on the roof. Oh no.
Oh, go on.
Wait, what's another? See there you. Yeah, look beautiful. You can see the difference anyway from an expert
Yeah.
to a
One level, everything I got up on. Oh, the column, them.
that way.
The column.
See me here. Empty bucket, yes. There you go. So you're ready. Okay. Yeah, man. Beautiful. Copy slogan. That's beautiful again. How much for this for be? 2 inch.
What?
For this. Or for the steel. Doesn't know.
Oh man, about 3 inch shot.
3 inch. How much inch off for this naturally for the concrete? How much inch off?
4 inch.
4
Four.
inch. 4. Yeah, see me. Ready.
Go right now. Right away.
Natural said that say if we did take time and build up everybody, it would have looked nice. It would have looked nice.
Yeah.
Everybody take time.
So over there, so
Yeah.
you know, you use this as stay, so
Yeah.
when you see them housing there on the bed, the spring bed there.
Yeah.
Wow. Georgia. Frenchtown.
We're coming next time, so we're right in it, yeah? Want the soup, by that giant, sweep it like this. All them are mix. Have a back stove and catch us. Black and like this. So I want more side because when the rainfall, the water run over there. So when the water keep on the building, so the water is supposed to run off now. But then sink the part so. Yeah.
I hear it a rocker.
Hello, yeah.
Come on.
Come on, not nice. Come on, me ask him. I want to the cantilever then.
Level them.
Trip on the kid.
Always just put up in there, sir. You have to level it down. Put up in here, come on, hop there. Yeah. Put it up there all the time. You have to level it down.
That's level.
Come up the corner, sir. Come all the way to the corner. Right up against the fence corner.
Which one are they?
Right up against the corner. Right up. Straight up.
One more, yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes guys, so that is the slabbing we're doing with Mother Teresa. So you know we're gonna go on the road. Stayed with a man, the prosthetic. You know the prosthetic leg for tall P. You know what he's gonna do is he's gonna fit it today so he can cut it to tall P size, you know, for the prosthetic leg. You know, so I'm gonna fit it today. Yeah.
Brethren, what's up with them can't come? I have to give somebody a ticket if you have a ride key, you know.
Oh.
Could I give you the ticket, bro?
Nah, gonna make it. Nah, go on. Not gonna make it, colors. Sorry, man.
Who come, bro?
Busy, man. Busy.
Are you the night fast?
Still busy. I'm gonna be editing. Yes. I'm gonna be editing, mate. Endo, I don't water there, please. Come on, I won't put the water there now.
Man, guys don't say now.
Yeah. Yes, guys. So I'm saying we're gonna meet up for tall P prosthetic leg. You know, cause tall P is gonna do he's gonna fit it on tall P leg and make him walk, and then he's gonna cut it to see how far he should cut it from. So tall P have the right balance, you know. So we're waiting on him right now, you know, to go and pick him up, to meet him. So stay tuned on that one. Right? Tall P ready. So guys, so tall P is ready now. We're gonna get the foot fitted to his height, you know. So the man literally just called me, you know. Yeah, so and Mr. Terrence, I'm going to expansion with him and come back up. Yeah.
And Empress, what for thanks again, you know. Yeah, what for thanks and manners and respect.
Yeah.
Extension family, what for love. Share.
Vicky.
Yeah. Vicky.
Yeah, so Vicky.
What for respect.
Yeah, man. So we give thanks to Vicky all the time, you know, for these blessings for tall P.
Yeah, man.
So Vicky, blessed love now. So literally he make a wrong turn, so he's gonna come back up from that way. Yeah. Well guys, well, so you know, tall P just got his foot fitted, you know, so he's coming on to that final step, you know, so he has the foot fitted, so you know, say right now just the final polishing and dressing now to get done, and then you will see the miracle tall P walking. Tall P, come here one sec. And then we have Mr. Brown here, and we have tall P.
One tall P, one for love, man, one for blessing, you know? Yeah, man.
And we have Welder Tom. Yeah, guys, and as I can see, Talpi face more brighter today, you know, because because remember, you see, Talpi always have that dip, you know, when Talpi fitted the leg, you know, Talpi stands straight, you know, and when he's doing the test walk and everything, you know, tell us a different Talpi you're looking at, you know. So Vicky, we want to thank you so much for blessing Talpi.
Thank you so much, Vicky.
Look at that Talpi, he's smiling always. Orthopedics, you know. So them man make Talpi life smile more brighter.
I could better feelings, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, feel like.
So, orthopedics. So like now Talpi, yeah? You miss it right now though. You're going back to that old ways there.
Just a look a while, man.
Just for a look a while. So guys, so tomorrow, you know, everything will be up and running. You know, whenever you see the next part of this video, you know, so that is the final of Talpi, ready to run, to play football, race a 100-meter dash, you know, ready to play cricket.
Yeah, short pants. I know. Tell your victim, man. Tell your girl, man.
Yeah. I know. You know it's summer. You know it's summer here in Jamaica every day. So right now, Talpi can't wait for him short pants. Hey.
Me have 1, 2, say white one. Me have
He cannot wait. He cannot wait for that to happen. Yes, man.
Only for thanks, Vicky. Only for thanks to my heart. Yeah, man.
I will give thanks, you know.
Family, you know?
Yes.
Yeah,
I will give thanks to the orthopedic as well, you know, because I say, if it wasn't for your talent, you know, and what you're doing as well to help out a charitable thing for Talpi, you know, it would have so much smile, you know. So with you and Vicky, it's a blessing, same way, to also need a helping hand, you know, like Talpi himself. So big up yourself, Mr. Brown. You know, guys, as I say, feel free if you want to contact me to get Mr. Brown contact number, you know, and they give somebody a number. And say, him call you, they give someone a number again, say I'll call you. You know, so feel free. So if Mr. Brown want to give out his contact number, he can feel free to give it out.
534-2595.
So it's 1876
534-2595.
Yes. So guys, so feel free if you have anyone in the family, and by the way, you know, want to get a leg sorted out, you know, trust me, very authentic, you know, you cannot go wrong. Fit to perfection. You know them say nothing is perfect in life, but trust me, Talpi can tell us that this one is fit to perfection. You know.
You could just walk first, you know?
Yes.
So I get over it.
Yes, man.
A couple of days, you know?
Yes.
The leg is so good, man. Respect, you know?
And when you say you're a welder?
Yeah, man. I'm 40% Tom, the original welder.
Tom, the welder. From Russell Crescent. So what type of welding you do?
Any type of welding, big, small, grill work, anything.
Anything.
Yeah.
So you make grill and windows, everything.
Anything like that.
Alright then.
Most of these work
on the street, like these type of. So if somebody want to get a grill or gate or anything, like these gates as well too, right? They make these as well too.
All these no.
Alright, so give you.
But you know, say me don't remember my phone number.
I don't remember. So guys, say it make these things as well too, you know, for the walls, and it make the grills for your window, you know, grill gate.
876. My number is 876. 23 5 63 47.
So it's 876.
Yes.
61.
23 5 63 47.
Okay.
Original welder Tom for Russell Crescent, Kingston.
Okay.
Years I'm here, 40 years.
So you're well experienced in your field then?
Yes, very much. They've been knowing from the year while the citizens them because they love him too.
Okay.
Years.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that is the information there. So stay tuned. Vicky, we thank you so much. So we're gonna head back down in Churchtown now, you know, and waiting for that wonderful day to be happening again. So stay tuned guys, you know. Blessed Lord. Remember, give the video a like whenever you're watching, and thank you so much for watching Keen Live in Jamaica. That is it. Well. Hi. You know, whenever you hear well, you know it's your boy Keen. Guys, guess what happened? I couldn't believe I was using my phone and then I was using my phone, and then all of a sudden my phone went blank. Nothing at all. Went out, you know, like a boxing match and someone get a knockout punch. That's what happened with my phone, you know. So I'm gonna take it to a phone shop, see what they can do, you know, because I don't know what happened. Using the phone, and then now all of a sudden I look, the phone just went blank, and it's not coming back on, you know. So I'm gonna take the phone to a phone shop now and see what can get done. So guys, so welcome to Inner Life in Jamaica. It is that day. I got no phone, so I'm just gonna check and see what can I get done today with this phone, because I cannot believe my phone is not working. I cannot believe my phone stopped work. So guys, so this is the abruptly bus station. Been a while I haven't walked through this park. Halfway tree park. Halfway tree. Some say half a tree. Some say halfway tree. So this is the halfway tree park. It's been a while I haven't walked through this. So the phone shop that I'm going to is a phone shop that I got a friend in there working there. So hopefully he's there. Hopefully I can get this problem solved.
My savior.
Razor. Razor. Where's it resting up? There, man. Well, I tell you, so last time I had the phone on my hand, all of a sudden it went blank. Just so. Just so. I wonder what going on. Plug in the charger and all them sitting there. Nothing. I wonder what going on. Guys, I couldn't believe what happened. The phone just went blank. It touched your current. On and off. How about the battery? Yeah, man. So guys, so this is one of my friend of mine, you know.
Yeah.
You know this man fix everything from laptop to phone, you name it. Tablets and everything, you know. His name is Razor. If you guys follow me from Jamaica Good Life days, you can remember when I come in here more than one time, you know, come check him doing his work. You know, Razor by name by whoop. Yes guys, so I don't know what happened, and I just got my phone in my hand and my phone just went blank. I'm like, what? It's like someone having a boxing fight and the lights out. That's what happened, lights out. So talented Jamaican. What talented they are. Right now. Right now until
Yeah, after she right to Shade Mandela Park, you know?
Taxi stand.
Yeah man. So you get your phone repair and your laptop repair and your tablet repair and you know?
So give them a contact number later.
You know? 847-2681. Just give me a shout out and
Yeah. So 1876. What?
1876 847-2681.
Alright, so the guys in there can call and you can get any phone repair, tablet repair and laptop repair. You know,
Yeah, right, I say, you know?
Yes.
So all the look at MacGyver work done right, I say.
Yes. So this is a Razor MacGyver. You know, fix everything sharp like a Razor.
Yes, sir.
You know, so now let's see. He's gonna be fixing his phone guys, because I'm telling you, I don't know what happened. The phone just went blank on me. You know, it never dropped, nothing at all. The phone was in my hand like this, and then all of a sudden it went blackout. Like when light gone. Just like that, when light gone, whoa. Yeah, like when JPS cut off the light, right? So I wonder if I never paid the light bill on the phone, you know? I'm wondering, did I pay the light bill on the phone, why the phone just cut off so on me? So hopefully it's the battery or something.
Alright. Circuit board power.
Yeah.
Yeah, I break power on that board. So I got switching about power keep breaking. Like it go, I come up to zero, go, now boot up the phone.
Alright guys, so what happened now, the phone is the circuit board damaged, so I'm have to go and send it off. Yeah, so I'm yo, All is well. Pick up yourself. Oh, yeah. D Mwango. Cooler man. Alright, respect, yeah? Thank you. Yes guys, so instead the circuit board damage, you know, so I'm have to go send it off to get it sorted, so that's what happened. So I send it off, so I'm gonna wait to see what happened right now, you know, so oh well. So that's what I have to go and get done right now, so boy. It's just one of those days, guys, so hey.
The trial for 3 soldiers accused of killing this which was expected to begin have been postponed
No, the thing about
Like you.
So guys, it's been a while I haven't had a patty, you know, so I'm gonna get a patty myself right now. I'll be here in halfway 3. Rush hour time, everybody's going home. So you know, whenever it's rush hour, it's the busy time. Taxi, everything. One football goal this time. You know how the thing go. One side patty. No D missing this right now. This is the side patty. Yeah. Well guys, so too bad the phone never got fixed today, so I said tomorrow, so hopefully tomorrow I can get some good news on that phone. That phone got a lot of things inside it that I literally want to get out first, you know, so I really need that phone to come back on. So hopefully tomorrow everything will be alright, you know, with fingers crossed. Yes, hopefully that phone will be working tomorrow, so let's hope. and let's pray the phone will be alright. That is it. Just hope and pray that phone will be good. So yeah. Cross, I drop you over.
Oh, so you want to take me over then?
Yeah.
So what time you gonna reach right here?
Oh. I drop you over. Colors.
Yes, I'm heading out by the port, you know.
British.
I just got those British shocks last night.
Yeah.
From one of my friends. He didn't flow down.
He didn't flow down.
He
flew down. He flew. Or he walked down.
He didn't fly in. He was up the socks on it.
Oh. So wait there. So you have the British socks.
Yeah.
The British clocks.
So here I go now. Kino, I have to make you know I'm fans them. I'm extended family. They say as from next month, 2 different color boot them are gonna start get.
As that from next month?
Summer, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, 2 different color shoes.
Yes.
That's what they're gonna get.
And color as well too.
Yeah, I forgot to tell you, Kino.
What happened?
I it's to my create at the party Saturday night. Jesus. So when I got there, I got there, all the police officers were at the gate.
Yeah.
They were saying, damn, is it you going to 80? Or where are you coming from 80? Them all said, them looking at the gun bag if me have the gun in there.
Yeah.
You see when I get inside the party, oh my gosh, the girls them were going wild. They were saying, Brit, are really cool as that?
Yeah.
You don't know what I'm gonna do again, Kino.
What you gonna do?
Mash up there. Then we start playing some old school.
Your days.
Oh, you know. Oh my gosh, I did get down on the dance floor.
Hey, which dance I get them?
Jiggy.
Ready.
Like 90s dancing song.
Ready.
Me say, you know, one girl work at airport. Here last night, Juki, you could have fooled me. Me never knew you could have done. I was saying, you see me now.
Yeah.
You see me Saturday night now. Yeah, she tell her crew, say, yo, you know, say, I chop mash him up. But the man was like airport, but the boss thing ever up. Me say, she tell the boss in the supermarket, Kino, last night, I say, like should I say, Nisha, Juke is surprised with me and my friend them. I can't believe say Juke that I say I make some rotted cups. Kino that I forgot to chuck them run over me.
It's a be a jiggy.
All the jiff. I give them Kino, because when I tell them to song, they don't stay song. Watch out. Let me give them sweet. Not everything. You know what I'm saying? I give them the Kino. Nisha, be a chocolate of the phone.
Give me 3 big bag there.
A big chocolate of the phone for me when I time Saturday night,
Whoa.
Yeah. Even last time I was on, you know the girl when you're in Brit where they make me know. She come give me 2 tickets, man. Mommy that tell us that there.
Tal.
Yeah.
Where I go?
Who was on the live whole night last night, you know? Yeah. Till about 4 o'clock this morning. Cause a couple of people.
What you do then?
A couple of people talking about me so much. Yes, a couple of people talking about colors so much.
Yeah.
You see me surprise them. People at the airport ever a follower, you know. Yeah, last time when police bridging came, I said colors, so me I wonder what. I said, oh, I'm bridging over this short. Kino, when I got over there, yeah, my bridging colors. No, I say I done the place.
Colors, you want to sit down, the colors are boss.
Yo, it's Nisha, see Joe there, I put on dancing. Yeah. Back in the days when party named Party.
I mean, colors used to bust some dance in the days, you know.
Yeah, when my dad a party,
guys, so that's the colors for the summer. When you see him, it's 2 different color boots.
Yeah, man, I will start get them. You get what I'm saying?
It's gonna give you the colors look right now.
Anytime when you see Kino put that video camera on me, the first thing you guys gotta look down on my feet.
On the feet.
Yeah, and you're gonna see 2 different colors. Sneakers. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because the blue and white sneakers where you see me have, Kino, the 2 color, the blue and white sneakers.
Yeah.
Down here, me did buy it at down the store. They have sale out down there. Yeah, sneakers is going for $5,000 and $6,000 down there.
See you.
Yes, so I told Brit last night, cause one of Brit foreign friend, she said me tell her about the 2 different color boot. So she said colors. Lord God, I can't wait to see you Thursday. So Thursday I wanna go get a pair.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright then.
But I know things that are going on for me in the summer.
Of course.
Yeah.
I use 2 different colors,
Yeah.
you know. And I use the colors, you know,
Oh
guys.
my gosh.
Guys, I him say colors, you know.
Wow.
And him say 2 different colors. So you know, whenever you see him on this video, him have 2 different color shoes, color top, color hat, color pants, color shoes, color socks. You know.
You know, could I tell you something?
Yeah.
When this was named Juki Jam, that wasn't going anywhere.
No.
Juki Jam wasn't going anywhere.
But when they name colors.
You know what I'm saying? From those people over there.
Call the colors.
The name to colors.
Hey.
Oh my God.
A different thing.
Someone was watching me on the live last night. They were asking Brit, is he a foreigner? Brit have to tell the man, said, no, I somewhere while the boss. You know, that's going to some twanging and you get what I'm saying?
She'll say yes. Yes, listen, these are more foreigner than foreigner. So if you were coming from America and England, I think colors is more foreigner than you.
You get what I'm saying?
You know, them man they fly down every day. Because every day that airport, right?
No, not really.
Not really. So each time that airport, him just touch down.
But what I'm saying,
so you take plane like taxi.
Oh my gosh. You know, this is true. I go on a hands Thursday.
Yeah.
I want to go look the rest of the money for
you sell the small bag them too?
Sneakers.
Small bag.
Yeah.
What kind of bag that?
Like bag where you go shop with them and look how small.
Yeah, I want to go look the rest of the rest of money, you know, for buy one of the sneakers Thursday. Yeah, because I have $3,000 put on.
Yeah.
Some buying tonight and tomorrow I can raise the next 2.
Alright.
Yes, I'm gonna get, you get what I'm saying?
Alright, colors.
I don't know if you're gonna see me Thursday if you're here. Because Brit, she's coming to pick me right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright then, colors. And their business.
Big up my extended family, you know. You know, colors ain't leaving you guys, you know.
No way.
We love you like cook food.
Hey.
Because what I'm saying, you make the boss living like king now. I'll have cut 20 in a jacuzzi bed.
Not 10.
Not 10, 20.
20.
Yeah, and flat screen pan wall and beer things.
Hey. And settee.
Yo.
Coach.
When the chocolate them come in there, they don't want to get out.
They don't want to leave.
Oh my God. Don't want to get out.
Alright guys, that is colors. You know colors already. So guys,
So here I'm gonna beg it out, Keenan. I'm beg it
take 2 picture.
yeah, in this outfit for me,
Oh
please.
gosh. So guys, so
I want to reach over the airport.
So guys,
I want to take it right here, innit?
alright then, so guys, I know I'm gonna take 2 photos for the superstar colors just flying. You know, because I need to go.
I'm gonna give the first pose.
Yeah. Alright then, hold on guys, so I'll catch you back.
This is pose number 1.
Yeah. Which way I take my right here?
Right here.
Right here.
Pose number 1.
Alright.
Okay, pose number 2.
Hey, that's gone.
Yeah, and then pose number 3.
Hey.
And then pose number 4. What's pose number 4 now? Pose number 4. Yeah.
Well, cause I forgot borrow one of them poses. I don't know which one I forgot borrow.
Wow.
But I forgot. What is that?
But in the green, there was a ring over
I can't. Oh, I could this. Oh.
Ooh, yeah.
Small, narrow. Yeah. Ooh. Lizard. Very well alive. Nigel. Just walk around us and a 3 euro gone up already. Fourth. Yeah. And I go empty out the barrel there. Get some things from Pablo Creations.
Or Pablo?
No, next man will come with the name Pablo too. See another Pablo. So in the pack a barrel with some stuff in it. You carry the Jamaica shoes then.
Yeah,
Yeah, I have some knickknacks in them, so I just bag them out for the members then.
Okay. For someone. No, some of them work at the high man.
So wait, now one wall there is a liquor?
Eh?
Oh, a fence?
Fence.
Oh,
With the wall inside.
okay. It have concrete in it too? Black?
That?
Yeah. I
That's
just,
just a bit of wall.
oh,
One wall inside.
just one wall. Oh,
Within there, just a bit of wall.
I think one wall there so.
Yes, the journey.
Nigel, what go any juice for the team? A line up, nothing already yet. Another hot sun here, Nigel. You have to have juice right through the clock then at time here in Nigel. Alright, don't know the man that drink some juice. Right now, drink. Some carrot and pine. Mango and carrot. So me have your beetroot. Beetroot, you know?
Yeah, man.
Beetroot. So you have none alternative one.
The only thing I carry more sugar in it.
Beetroot though.
So I sweeten stuff use less sugar.
That's for real, because sometimes like they put a little bit too much sugar and it's sweet sometimes. Even though that one that tastes sweet. Have sweet night though. Right now it's have a sweetness to it already.
I want some concrete, you know, because I've captured the wall complete, you know.
Okay, so this is Mother Teresa place. As you can see, naturally is putting up a wall to lead into this. But it's like add to the staircase, natural.
Yeah. That have a balcony from right from here, so straight down, so the step. So one thing.
Okay.
Cantilever come up on top. She says she wants a cantilever out on top then. So I try to squeeze in a cantilever.
Okay.
Squeeze it in, you know.
Okay, now I see where I go on. So the balcony, we should walk point and the step I got it right here, so.
Step on the forward down to
Forward
the
down.
gate. So this is a veranda, like a
veranda.
Straight on the
Okay. No.
one ramp. One ramp you got.
No, I see it, because I would never see it, you know.
Yeah, man. Now we start putting a production go on. You can see the details.
Yeah.
Go on. See me?
So you're going to set up a little decking here, so.
Yeah, decking over. So. Right down the line.
This time I last now. Eh? Last already. I them stop me and say yes, I'm going to stop.
Full of chatting. Yeah, good. Alright. Ready, I'm going. Come again, son.
Hero, stop playing black already.
Hero? Black man. Everything ready from class, boy.
Help me focus.
Stay there. So what call Hero to build anything you want to build. Now build a house, build stairs, build anywhere. And I'm going to start call Hero because Hero lay black.
Proper teacher.
Yeah. Right, Hero?
Yeah.
Oh. So this is where this is going to come all the way. The steps is going to be right there. Alright then, come back out this. Come Esther. Come Jackson, go. So right now we're going to split up the team. Some I do some work and some we're gonna do some bagging out. We're gonna need some bags. Shara! Come on, take out them things. Shara! Me!
Where boy is it?
Yeah, man. You want the rest of material?
That black him say? Concrete. Concrete in this say. Shara! Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.